All right. Everybody want to know which one I got. For all my Instagram folks, I asked them, I said, which grill should I get? And whatever grill people said, I was gonna get. So, as you can see, I just got it not too long ago. I'm not sure. Oh, that's the letters. Yes, sir. Drum roll, please. I do. Ah, yes, sir. I went ahead and got that 2020 Ram Rebel grill. Yes, sure. And then I'm gonna black out the grill. Black out my bumper down there so it could be all black with all that sexiness on there. So that's what I went with, the 2020 Ram Rebel. I'm gonna show you how I put it on and all that. You know, let's go ahead and get this vlog started, baby. Let's go, baby. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes, sir. All right, so what comes included in the package is, of course, the letters. The letters you gotta put on using screws and a couple bolts. And then they give you this part. This goes like this. And it's basically gonna be right here for the ends. And then the wiring is for the 3 lights right here. Yeah, they go into one of those. I think it goes into the blinkers or maybe the regular lights. I'll figure it out when I get that far. I'm still not that far yet. So, all right, let's plug up I'm gonna do the letterings and then I'm gonna do this little side. Let's get it. All right. So, these are the screws. So you see how this one has a curve angle right there, so it can slope down. That's basically for this right here. So, you can't really go wrong trying to mount this bad boy. Yeah. Boom. Put the little screw in like that. Boom. Alright. Simple. Hella simple. Alright, let's I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there real quick and then we'll get to the letter. The letters look like back here with the regular screws. And then this is what it looked like up front. So you gotta put these letters in, so just to let you know, it doesn't come with them in, so you gotta put them in. And gotta figure out your own spacing. So good luck with that, guys. At least I helped you out there. So now I just plug these right here. This is electronics for the LEDs. I feel like my cousin was like I should probably try to connect it to the motorcycle batteries, but then I won't be able to turn them off. So I might splice it with the truck's headlight, maybe. Yeah, I think it goes to the truck headlights. I feel like it goes to the truck headlights, but I don't know. It's really weird. They already pre-cut it. That's cool. So I'm gonna look and see what I connect this to. See what everybody else. Because most people that buy this same grill, they don't actually install the lights. So they don't really do these lights. I don't know why you would buy this grill and not install the lights. So I really don't want to take the headlight out because then I have to go through the bumper and all that stuff. So I might just connect it to the motorcycle battery. I'll see how I feel. Top part of the grill off. It's just held on by snap pins, so don't worry about pulling them bad boys off. Just pull them off. And then these are 10mm bolts. Take 4 of these things off. And then I'm just going ahead and mount the grill. I really think I should route it through the motorcycle battery, but then I'm gonna have to get a switch to turn it off. do I feel like turning the switch off all the time to turn the LEDs on and off? That'd be ridiculous, right? But then I don't feel like going through the freaking truck to get the lights. All right, we'll see. We'll see. This is what the light look like when it's gone. Right? So I think I'm gonna run it to the lights. I think I probably run it through the lights. That way, when I cut the truck off, the light will cut off. It's not that bad. I just got to figure out which headlight I want to use. Right one or the left one. And then I'll probably zip tie it into place. Yep. Alright, let's see how this works. Alright, so as you can see, I rewired it to the headlight. Boom, boom, and then that's how they look. Horde. That thing horde. Can't get it. Alright, see? New headlight with the grill. You see that right there? I wish the lettering would glow, but it's okay. Maybe I might put a light bar on there or something. We'll see.